Beware lest any man spoil you through philosophy and vain deceit, after the tradition of men, after the rudiments of the world, and not after Christ. For in him dwelleth all the fulness of the Godhead bodily, and ye are complete in him which is the head of all principality and power. Jesus possesses the entire fullness of God's nature, and he came as the last Adam. Obviously the first Adam failed in his mission to manage creation, and he turned the rule over to Satan. But the Father always has a plan, and his plan was to send his Son, Jesus Christ, who is also God, and rule over his kingdom on earth and defeat Satan, which he did when he came and died on the cross.